I love to explore. Oh, hi, May. Hi, Eliana. What are you doing here? Don't ask. You know why I'm here. Who's that? I don't know. Hello there, you two. Oh, hi, Anna. What are you two doing here? Just hanging out. Is everything alright? Can you just leave? Hey, calm down. I'm just asking Eliana. What did I do? Just leave now! What was that, Eliana? We don't like her, remember? But that was too harsh. It hurt her feelings. Oh, so now you're taking her side? No, Eliana. You don't have to be so rude. I know I don't like her. So what do you want me to do? Apologize? Exactly. So why are you so nice to other people that we both hate? I don't know. Maybe I was raised this way. Okay, fine. I'll apologize, but you have to escort me. Of course. Anything for my friendliest friend. Hey! I'm sorry, Anna. Sorry for what I did earlier. Why are you so rude, Eliana? I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, Anna. I'm sorry. That was too far. Please forgive me. Anna, we know you can forgive us that easily, but please do. Okay, I forgive you. Oh, really, Anna? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have an idea. The best idea. Oh, spill it, Eliana. Anna, we want you to join our friend group. There are no limitations. Oh, really? Oh, yes. Introduce you to our new friends. Let's go.
Hey, look who's here. Well, if it isn't the explorers. What's up, you guys?
Hey there. Just out for a little adventure. Yeah, exploring the world. One step at a time. Hey.
Looks like you guys are squad now.
Yup. We just added Anna to our crew.
Oh, nice. Welcome to squad, Anna.
Thank you. Don't worry, Anna. You're the best.
How are you? So, what's the plan for today?
Just going to keep exploring.
Well, good luck with that. If you need any tips on survival, we're your guys here.
Maybe later. We've got this for now. Yeah, we've got it covered.
Alright, well, we'll catch you later. Have fun, guys. Take care, you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey there, explorers!
You guys out here on your own?
Looks like it's getting late. You sure you are okay out here?
Yeah, it's okay. It's a little hike. Yes, we're gonna explore here just little bits. You're brave for exploring this lake. Yeah, it's my first time out here.
No worries, Anna. We're checking for wildlife signs and marking new trails.
Oh, nice. Are there any animals out here?
Yes. Yes, there's so many out there. So be safe in your way.
I'll keep that in mind. Yeah. So you all from around here? Yep. Yep. Eliana and I have been exploring here since we were little. And now, Anna's joining us for the first time.
Oh.
See you around, ladies. Oh, thank you.
Lobat?
Well, that was...
mo?
Yeah, everything's under control. From now on,
No ba?
don't ask me for any directions, alright? Haha, deal.